Hello, my name is Jon Myron. I work for iCentrum in Gothenburg. Today I'm going to show you our solution Map4You for SuperOffice. The presentation is going to take approximately 10 minutes in total. First I'm going to talk a little bit about iCentrum, the company I work for, and the value of Map4You. And then I'm going to jump into the presentation and the demo of Map4You and the price picture. About us, the company I work for is called iCentrum. It was founded in 2012, so we've been active for 6 years in total. We're 11 employees in total. We have 2 offices, one in Stockholm and one in Gothenburg. We have really extensive experience within CRM and system integration. If we sort of sum up all our working experience, it's more than 50 years in total, which is quite a lot. We have 3 categories of workers: system developers, which actually create our apps and the solutions; business consultants, which actually implement the solutions that we create in our customers' environments and businesses; and sales and marketing, which is the department that I work for. Right, so our main focus is SuperOffice CRM, and Caesar CRM is actually owned by SuperOffice. So SuperOffice is the mother company of Caesar. So that's our main focus. All our other partners and our self-created products are the main focus on those are to improve and enrich the SuperOffice CRM, right? So we have the left leg here, Smart Data. Then we have 2 partners. One is Bisnode and one is Dun & Bradstreet. And what it is, it's basically company registers. So for an example, if you want to search for companies between the interval, like they have to have the employees between 5 and 100 people, and they have to have a sales revenue for a certain amount of euros or something like that. When you have that list, it's very easy for you to sort of import that those companies with one click into SuperOffice CRM. That's the connection that we've built. And Bisnode is really large on the European and Scandinavian and Swedish market, whereas Dun & Bradstreet is really large on the international arena. So if you want to have the concern structure and see which companies are the mother and the sister company and daughter company and all that, then Dun & Bradstreet is a good choice for you. eMarketeer, that's a platform for the market person. For example, you can create drip campaigns, you can create mobile apps, inbound and outbound marketing, a lot of marketing automations, event management. Everything is then connected to SuperOffice. We built the connection and integration so that you don't have to work in 2 systems there. All right, and GetAccept is our latest partner, which is an e-signing and document tracking tool and sales automation tool. And to conclude the business, we have BI. So we have partners with the world leader Click. So instead of having lists of data and information, you can visualize those into charts and graphs in order for you to in your decision-making process. And Business Analyze is another partner. Right, so this is just some of iCentrum's customers and industries. So we have small, medium, and large companies, just to give you an idea here. So why choose Map4You? Right, our customers often ask us, is there any easier way to get full control over our different customer categories? For example, where their office address is located in relation to the proximity of other customers and prospects. And also another question that they might ask, how do we become more efficient and productive, productive in our sales process? Another question that our customers might ask is, how do we minimize the amount of missed out sales opportunities that is along the way when we, for an example, take a car to a meeting? And also, how do we prioritize what opportunities to aim for is another question. What do we do if the person we have booked a meeting with tells us that they don't have time for a meeting or is sick, in last minute sick or something like that? That's also another scenario that might occur. Reasons, it's very common not to remember specific addresses, which is quite easy to understand, right? It's very common that you lack structure in the sales process, and also inefficient sales process is very common. Stress and too high workload causes that tasks are procrastinated, and sometimes something else is then prioritized, which can result in missed out sales opportunities, quite obviously. New employees lacks the knowledge as well. That's also can be a scenario that can cause this reason, right? Regain control. So it all starts with control and structure. That's what it is, sort of thing. Challenges that Map4You aims to solve and resolve. Many of our customers' everyday challenges is that they have too much to do and not enough time to do them, right? I think many people can sort of recognize this dilemma. Value and plan your routes directly in your CRM. That's what you can do with the Map4You tool. Choose from all types of selections in SuperOffice, or choose from all companies in SuperOffice. See all different customer categories in SuperOffice. Add selections from colleagues, plus your own selections, if you want to do that. Logical colors on the icons of the map, as you can see here. Work on tablets and mobile phones, both Android and iPhones. Indicates which addresses are missing information for a specific company card. It's another thing. And also indicates which addresses are bad or wrong for a specific company. The value for your business is that the tool can increase the amount of revenue from sales, since you can book more meetings. The value for the end user is that the tool saves time and can increase revenue from sales in that way. The value for your business's customers can be that they receive better service and more meetings with your company as a distributor, which also a good thing. Just some screenshots before I show you the actual tool live. Here's the selection here, and there's a tab here in which you can open Map4You. Then you can open a full Map4You viewer here as well, which I did there. I opened the full Map4You viewer, and here you can see where all the companies are, the customers here, and you can also click here and see more information, see where it is in relation to where you are right now, where you are located, and see how far the distance is. And then you select a source. You can choose a SuperOffice selection or a SuperOffice company. So everything that's in your database you can reach here directly from your CRM. Here you choose another, so you choose one source, and then you choose from all your selections, and then you can add another source as well. So here you have two sources, and here you have customers, prospects, lost prospects, privileged customers, etc., and you visualize those with different colors and icons here on the map. Right, and here is a route. So if you press an icon, you get the directions there, and you see how far it is. So in this case, it's 162 kilometers, and then you can plan your route and visit many other customers on the way. Live demo. So I'm going to show you how it looks in the live environment. So here you have a selection here on the navigation menu. You press here, and you have the selection, and then you press here to access the Map4You, and then you can open it up and the full viewer in order for you to see it more clearly, and then you can add another source, like I said. So for an example, in this case, I will take all companies, and this will take a while because there's a lot of companies now. And now what the tool will do is it will sort of visualize everything on this map, visualize all this company in the map. That's what it does. What's going on here? There you go. As you can see, it will fill up with a lot of different companies here. And what I can do now is I can scroll down and see where. Zoom in and just scroll down, and then you will zoom in and see. Then I can press a different icon here, which is a different customer category, and get direction from where I am right now. So what I would do, I would leave this set your location for a given for your browser with a specific position. Just leave that blank, and it will automatically detect where you are at that specific time. So you can access that from your computer or from your tablet. Right, so this is basically it. This is the app, and you can press any icon here, pretty much. Right, so all that's left now is to present the price. So it's free license and free installation for SuperOffice Online, so it doesn't cost a dime. Price if you're a SuperOffice on-site customer is €2 per user per month. So it's not so it's very small amount, very cheap, I'll say. And the price installation for SuperOffice on-site is 4 hours times €129 per hour. So for an example, so the total installation price is then €516 for an SuperOffice on-site installation, and that's of course on one-time fee. Right. So that's all I wanted to present to you today. I hope this was useful, and thank you for watching. Thank you.